Chapter 7 National Income. Let's see at the overview of national income. सबसे पहले हम ये जान लेते हैं कि national income क्या है. The total income of the nation is called national income. In real terms, national income is the flow of goods and services produced in an economy during a year. The national economy comprises of all the firms and factories, shops and markets, banks and financial institutions, various departments and their offices, etc. National income is a composite measure of all economic activities such as production, distribution, exchange and consumption, but is also an objective indicator of economic welfare of the people in a country. In India, establishment of the National Income Committee, that is NIC, in 1949 marked the beginning of government efforts for regular compilation of national income estimates. At present, Central Statistical Organization, that is CSO, compiles and publishes data on national income and allied aggregates every year. Let's see at the learning objectives. First, features of national income. Second, circular flow of national income. Third, different concepts of national income. Fourth, methods of measurement of national income. Fifth, difficulties in the measurement of national income. Sixth, importance of national income.